Every time you look at a local search for your business, your product or services, are you seeing three results that look like a little maps results right there in your results on your phone or on your computer? And you're wondering, what the heck is that? And why does it matter? How do I get there? Great. In this video and a couple others, I'm going to be breaking down what's called the Google 3-pack, why it matters for local SEO, what it is, where it comes from, and what you should do about it as a local business owner. Okay, but first, before we dive into the why and how, let's just talk about what it is. Okay, so over the last decade, it's become more and more prevalent that businesses notice this 3-pack and wonder, hey, is Google self-selecting 3 businesses that they're gonna send all the traffic and thus all the business to? Well, kind of. These businesses are really building a lot of brand awareness quickly for their business, and Google's recognizing that, and they're putting them in that pack. Those that make it there have a huge advantage over their competitors. So what exactly is this? Well, it's just maps results that are pulled in and put in the search results, knowing that customers who are looking for local business or have the potential to purchase locally need to be presented with some local options, and they might click on those and go right to the maps results and then go click on drive and drive directly to that business, right? It makes sense for the user to see some local options for a lot of different things that they might be searching. So that's why Google started putting the local pack in there. Now they call it the local 3-pack, the Google 3-pack, the Google Map Pack, or the Snack Pack. I don't know if anybody really calls it the Snack Pack, but I think it sounds cool. Now, these are what Google thinks are the 3 most relevant results to whatever the person was searching, right? It's all based on Google's search algorithm, which I cover a lot in other videos. And if you want to be featured in this 3-pack of results, then it's going to be different than the approach that you take when you want to be in the regular website listings, right? So if you own a brick and mortar store, then you definitely want to appear here. Now, these businesses have a huge advantage because not only are they the first businesses that are seen, but the customer also gets to see the address, the opening hours and whether the business is open, the average star rating, so 3, 4, 5 stars for these from the customer reviews. Plus there's a click to call option for people who are doing this on mobile, so it leads them directly to that business, right? So getting into the maps is absolutely huge for giving you an advantage over your competitors and driving more business to your local business. Now, Google doesn't bring up this local 3-pack for just any old search. Google first identifies, is the person searching, do they have local intent, right? And there are a few different ways that Google identifies whether that consumer is actually searching for something locally and thus determining whether they bring up that 3-pack of businesses. So if the user includes the name of a desired area, right? So let's say in their search term, they're saying like hair salon in Syracuse, New York. Well, that's telling Google that they are interested in something local. Also, if the user includes near me, right? Near me search. So that could be, I'm in Denver, Colorado. That could be me looking to go to a concert in Denver, Colorado. And instead I just search concerts near me, right? So Google understands that I'm searching for something near me and it wants to give me accurate results. It might bring up concert halls or tickets or something locally. And then it depends on, the type of query too. So sometimes, let's just say somebody searches hair salon, but they don't type in anything additional. Well, Google knows you can't buy a haircut on the internet, right? So maybe someday, but not yet. So they're going to assume, hey, if they're looking for a hair salon, they're looking for a local business to get that service locally, right? So some searches like lawn care or hair salon, things like that, where you're providing a physical local service, are going to automatically usually include a 3-pack of results. So what's critical here is when you start working on your SEO, you have to think about the maps and coming into 3-pack as different from coming in just the regular website listings. Those are 2 different strategies and 2 different things you have to optimize, right? So you'll need to consider that local 3-pack separately. Okay, so we've talked about what the local pack is. We understand in a lot of ways now. Let's just sum this up. Why should you care as a small business about this? Well, of the approximately 40,000 Google searches made around the globe every single second, the data says close to 50% of them are local searches, meaning somebody looking to buy something locally or do something locally. That's every single day. So it also tells us that 93% of Google searches with local intent include a local pack in the search results. And 50% of users making a local search visit a nearby business within 24 hours. So coming up on these results is critical because these are the people who are really ready to buy whatever you have to sell. So Join me in the next video as we break down more SEO tips that are going to help your business show up in that local 3-pack if you're not already.